Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta salad easy. First, pick a short, sturdy pasta shape like rotini or pen. These hold dressing well. Next, prepare your favorite fresh vegetables, such as crisp bell peppers, juicy cherry tomatoes, and cool cucumbers. Finally, decide on a delicious dressing, perhaps a zesty Italian or a homemade lemon herb vinaigrette, to tie all the flavors together. Begin by cooking 16 ounces of your chosen pasta until it's al dente, meaning it's firm to the bite. Immediately after cooking, rinse the pasta thoroughly with cold water. This stops the cooking process and cools it down quickly, preventing it from becoming mushy. While the pasta cools, chop your fresh vegetables into uniform, bite-sized pieces, ensuring every forkful is perfectly balanced. Now it's time to bring everything together. In a large bowl, whisk together about 1.5 cups of your chosen dressing. Add the cooled pasta and all your prepared vegetables to the bowl. Gently toss everything until the pasta and vegetables are evenly coated. Feel free to mix in optional ingredients like crumbled feta cheese, sliced black olives, or even some grilled chicken for added protein. Once everything is combined, cover the bowl and refrigerate your pasta salad for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time is crucial as it allows all the delicious flavors to meld and deepen. Before serving, give it a good stir to ensure the dressing is evenly distributed throughout. This salad is perfect for picnics, potlucks, or a simple weeknight meal. For leak-proof containers and other great deals, check out the description below. Enjoy your easy and delicious pasta salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.